Hey, this is Dr. B, and let's determine the density of these unknown metals here. So I guess I'll need the metal. So I just click on it, and there it is. Go back to the stockroom. I think I'm going to need something to put it in. And I think that I'll be putting it eventually in a graduated cylinder, and I think just 10 mils should be enough. I'm also going to need to weigh some out, so I'll need a balance for that. There it is. And I think I'll also need a weighing boat, which I think is in other. There we go. So let's weigh out 5 grams. I'm just going to tare this thing, which is what a real scientist would do. I'm not even going to record that weight. So uh, if you had that in a table, you could just say not needed, because I'm just going to make it weigh 0. That way I'm going to put this right down on top of it, and I'm going to precisely transfer 5 grams and pour it in. And it says it's got 5 grams. Now, I don't see anything there, but I will assume that it's in there. Now, that probably only has a volume of 1 or 2 mils because most metals are very dense, so that mass gets compacted down into a relatively small volume. So I think if I put 5 mils of water into this thing, it should get the job done. Now, I'm going to try to do it directly from this giant thing of water. Boom. Put that on top of it and precisely do 5 mLs of water and pour it. And did it work? Can I bring this up a little? Yeah, it says it's got 5 mils of water there. And I'm going to look at it precisely. I can get a detailed view by right-clicking on it. I'm going to say, yeah, 5.0. 5, 6. It looks like each graduation is 0.2 mils, wouldn't you agree? So I'm going to go with 5.0 there. And I don't need that thing anymore, so I'll right-click and remove it. But I do want to put some metal in there. So how much should I put in there? I'm going to stick it right on top. And how about if we did a full 5 grams, the whole thing? Precisely 5 grams. We'll pour it in. Now let's see much higher it gets. Wow, not very. 5.4. So it only had 0.4 mLs is the difference. Get it? 0.4 density is mass over volume. For my metal, it would have been 5 grams divided by 0.4 mLs. That's going to be a pretty high number. Maybe I'll go ahead and try that. 5 divided by 0.4. Let's actually just go like this. 5 divided by 0.4 is 12.5. Let's see if we got it right. Please enter your choices below. Oh, 12.4. Where's my data? Oh, come on. Don't tell me they don't give you the... Oh, look, 12.4. That's a good sign. So I think we have for us number 1 is rhodium. Can we check it? Middle 1, rhodium. Check. What did it say? No, won't let me do it. But I'm pretty sure that's going to be right. So I hope that helps everybody. That's how you can do the density of a metal. Now, if it skipped things that can't go into these tables you're supposed to fill out, just type in not needed. This method works fine. All right, everybody, send me any questions if you have any.